I finally got my hands on some products from Made by Mitchell, and I have some thoughts. So welcome back to another brutally honest review, and today I'm reviewing everything I've tried from Made by Mitchell. As always, honesty only here because I am not afraid to get kicked off PR lists, although I did buy all of this with my own money. First up, this is definitely my favorite out of all of these products. This is the Made by Mitchell Curve Case. I got it in the light shade, and let me show you what this looks like. This is beautiful. Literally a makeup artist's dream. We have 4 shades of blush, 4 shades of bronzer. Everything is so creamy, blends out flawlessly. The pigment is just phenomenal. And all of these last on my face, which is even more impressive. Next up, we have their Bare Lip Oil in shade I'm the Bloss. Here's a look at the applicator. Very easy to get product around the sides of this. That's definitely something that's kind of annoying. I gotta clean this up a bit. I actually have a little bit of this on right now. It's got that like typical sheer tint to it that lip oils usually have. Gives me a nice little bit of a moisture boost, but it doesn't last for very long on my lips. Next up, we have their Mattitude Cream Lipstick. This is in shade A Shy Girl, and I will say this is a little bit light for me. I mean, with lip liner, it looks pretty good, but by itself, it's a little light. So I want to try more shades because this has such a beautiful, creamy, like, it's a rich formula in a lipstick, if that makes sense. Very pigmented and lasts for like a decently long time on my lips. Also, even though it's called Mattitude, I wouldn't say this has like a strong matte finish. If anything, I think it has more of a satin finish. Then we have their Blursh Liquid Blusher, and this one I got in shade Strawberry Cream. Here is a look at the applicator. Not a lot to write home about for the applicator, but I mean, it's the formula that really counts here. It ends up looking matte on my face. It has like a blurred effect to it. Now, Blursh makes sense. I just got it. This has a decent amount of pigment. I still would definitely choose the cream blushes over this one, although I do like it. There was nothing wrong with it. It blended out very seamlessly. It actually lasted on me throughout the day, and I like the little baby pink, ballerina pink shade. Next up, we have their Lip Trick Lip Liner in shade My Aesthetic. Here's a little swatch of what the shade looks like. It's kind of like a purplish red, but it's muted. This, for me, would probably take the number 2 spot because of how long it lasted. I think I saw this on my lips for like 8 hours. It's not super creamy, but it still blends out very beautifully, very easy to work with, and truly just couldn't believe how long it lasted. Last but not least, we have their Beam Lip Gloss in shade Need a Minute. Here's a look at this applicator. I don't know if you can see the little like glitter pieces in here. This is a very light pink shade with obviously some glitter. I'm honestly not a fan of when I can physically feel glitter on my lips while I'm wearing a lip gloss. Also, I will say, while the gloss itself is definitely very glossy, it did feel kind of sticky as well. So if you're not into that, you probably wouldn't like this. But for me, the glitter bothers me more than the stickiness. So this particular shade isn't one that I would reach for very often, but would be curious to try it in other shades.